Hey everyone, hi, this is Riya. Welcome back to Kamwali Academy YouTube channel. Many of my mates said that there is some client who is not being good to them. So today I will let you know how to treat your maid so that they can stay long at your home. Well, treat her with respect. You cannot be disrespectful to the maid and expect her to give you her best. Be kind to her. Kindness goes a long way in creating goodwill between peoples. Being kind and considerate to your maid and her circumstances will ensure that she stays with you and treat you and yours with equal kindness and consideration. Ensure the maid is not overworked. Often people pile on too much work on their domestic helps. You hire a maid because you are unable to cope up with all the work that needs to be done at home. The maid not only has to work for you, but she also has to look after her home and family too. Trust. There has to be a degree of trust between you and maid. This does not mean you have blind faith in all that she says or does. It means that you trust her with certain aspect of your home. When she knows she is trusted, she is likely to work hard not to break that trust, especially if you have treated her well. Appreciate. Appreciation of a job well done or any initiative shown by the maid acts as an encouragement. The appreciation can be demonstrated through speech, gesture, monetary bonus, or gifts. Just giving a day off as a mark of appreciation for her hard work goes a long way in boosting the morale of your domestic help. Be polite. Saying thank you or sorry using words such as please when addressing the maid is important. This habit should also be instilled in your children so they are not impediment or impolite to the maid. It's impart the message that maid is treated at par with other members of the family. Never abuse your maid, whether it is a part-time maid or full-time live-in one. Is a such issue, it is common practice in Middle East to be abusive to the maid or exploit them. We read such cases constantly. Physical abuse or sexual harassment by their employers. Make sure that no one in your family is sexually harassing or abusing your maid. If you feel that there is a problem with either a male family member making an advance towards the maid or the maid trying to do so, fire her immediately. Make sure the decorum of decency is always maintained in the presence of your maid. Have a firm word with the errant maid to ensure that the problem is not repeated with the next maid you hire. If you are looking out for a part-time and live-in maid, you can directly contact to Kamwali Bais. Kamwali Bais will provide you experienced, genuine and hygiene maid with 3 replacement guarantee. And the process is really very easy. You will get someone in reasonable cost. You can call us on the given number or you can comment below. If any of your relative, colleagues, friends are in need of maid, share this video or share the contact number. I will see you soon with another information. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.